This one have a very unique feature. You can open door. Actually, you can lift the door up, and you can change the door to this side. So it's a changeable side mechanism here. We have 11 dry bay here. 3, 3, 3, and 2. Okay. The good thing is about this thing is you can remove the dry bay, and you can pull the whole dry bay out. Okay. And you see this silicone grommet?
Yep.
Okay. So the hard drive will sit basically vertically. So you can each dry cage can sit 3 hard drive vertically on this dry silicone grommet. So it's very soft. So your hard drive basically will run very quiet. You just cannot hear. So just like the 1200, you have this individual fan control knob. Okay, you can crank up the speed of fan. You can crank it down like this. Okay, and this is what we call a flexi dry bay system. You can put the dry bay up and down any position you want. So this is a light we put in. We have a switch here. You can turn the light on and off. You turn it off and turn it on like this. Okay, so switch is inside here. This is made of this is a PC. Okay, we use a transparent, semi-transparent PC, so you can see the light inside, not that bright, not that dark, and it won't blind your eyes, but then it gives you a very nice touch. 3 fans included with individual fan control. You have a power button here, you have audio in and out, you have an eSATA port, you have 2 USB, and you have reset button. Okay. And the vent here, you see vent at both sides. Actually, air will be pulling from vent from both sides, and from the top. See, we also open vent here, on the top here, and from the bottom. See bottom here. Bottom is a vent. Okay, so air will go in from both sides, up and down, and go in and through here. The good thing is, air is not coming from the front. Okay, so you don't need to open vent in the front, so the noise won't leak to the front. So that this can make this system very quiet.
I can hear that because when you open the door,
you hear more noise, right?
I hear more noise. When you close it, hey, it's gone.
Yeah. So this is a very unique system. So this one was designed to be very quiet, and it can be very powerful. Top, you have 200 millimeter fan. It will be also with blue LED, but this one happened we didn't put the blue LED on. Okay. Here you have a 120 millimeter fan hidden behind this structure. Okay. The reason we want to do this is we don't want the noise to leak out to the user.
Yeah.
Okay. So the fan, the air has to be drawn through this hose. And also we include a removable air filter here. So this is a very easy design that you can just clean it, and you can just put it back. You swing and you lift it. You swing and lift it. So it's very easy to work with. And the side panel consists of 2 layers. One is steel, one is plastic, so it's a steel reinforcement side panel. Same concept that we use for P180,
yeah.
So it can absorb the noise. Here, you can see the inside. Basically, it's separated in 2 chambers, just like the P180. Power supply sits on the bottom. This is for multiple tray. 200 millimeter fan exhaust, 120 millimeter fan exhaust. Probably we'll use US LED, blue LED fan as well. See this.
The latch
hook here.
Yep.
This is just like our Solo. You know the Solo have a dual hard drive mounting mechanism.
Yep.
So this one is actually for the suspender. Okay. So you can mount 3 hard drive vertically, sit on this soft silicone grommet,
yep.
Or you can mount your hard drive horizontally.
Okay.
Using the suspender, so it can run even quieter. But if you choose to run suspender, you can only run mount 2 hard drives. Okay, so at the back you will see a standard water rubber grommet for the external water cooling, and power supply sitting on the bottom. Okay, this is one very important feature here is we included a bracket. People have a choice to use a regular power supply by their own, or they can choose ANTEC CP850 power supplies. Okay. Let's move to the other side. Here we have a compartment for the cable management, just like our standard P182 and our 1200 or 902. Here you have a toolbox to put all your screw in here. Cable management. Okay, and this one is very unique. Okay, this is what we call a advanced cable management system. Okay, so what it does is basically this is a power strip. Okay, but this is a power strip for DC.
Okay.
What we do is we will come with a special version of CP850, the power supply. The power supply will have only a cable. We run the cables to this power strip. Okay, so you don't have those messy cable all around. Okay, so this cable run into here. Then you have this kind of connector. This is a DC out connector here. So we will include a short DC cable so they can connect to their optical drive, their hard drive, their solid drive from this connector. So people can just use whatever they want, and it's very convenient, very easy. But this is optional. It's not going to be a standard. Okay, we will create a special SKU just for this. So the case will come with power supply and this advanced cable management system.
I've been looking for that for a very long time, and I'm sure a lot of our readers will really like to see that.
Yes, that is very special. This is the CP850. Basically, it is a power supply designed only for ANTEC chassis. Right now, we have 1200, the new P183 coming up,
okay,
and P183 coming up. We can use this power supply, and the P1000, of course. This power supply comes with a 120 mm fan. Okay, you can see the fan is spinning. So it can run very quiet, very slow. Usually what a power supply, a regular power supply, they have a 120 mm fan on top. So the air basically pushed down, then they have to turn 90 degrees out. So it's not a very efficient way to cool it.
Yes.
And you're going to have some problem with some component that sit on the deck corners that you won't be able to get enough air. But this one is a straight in and straight out design.
So it's much more efficient.
It's very efficient, and it can run very quiet because this power supply we have include new technology, PWM fan control, just like our signature series. So this power supply can be a very nice weapon for gamers or for quiet computing guys. And plus, this power supply is 850 watt, but basically ANTEC is selling it with 650 watt price. Because it's bigger, we can use component more. We can choose the component more cleverly, so we can reduce the cost. So this is something that we really want to introduce.